If you're looking to delete a website from your GoDaddy website builder in 2024, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your site will be fully removed from your account. Whether you're decluttering old projects or starting fresh, this tutorial will help you get it done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. This is where all of your GoDaddy products and services are managed. Next, locate and click on the product section. Here you'll see a full list of everything tied to your account, from domain names to hosting packages, and of course, your websites. Now, move over to the renewals and billing section. This is where GoDaddy organizes all of your subscriptions, billing details, and renewal settings. It's an important place to check if you want to keep your account clean and avoid paying for services you don't need. Inside Renewals and Billing, click on the Subscriptions tab. You'll see a detailed list of your active subscriptions. Find the website subscription you want to remove, then click on the three-dot icon next to it. Think of this as your toolbox. It opens up more options for managing that subscription. From here, the first thing you'll want to do is turn off auto renew. This ensures you won't get charged again for a site you no longer plan to keep. After that, look for the option that says delete my product. Click it, and GoDaddy will ask you to confirm. As an extra layer of security, GoDaddy will send a confirmation email to your registered address. Open that email, follow the confirmation link, and once you approve, your website will be officially deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a website from GoDaddy Website Builder. It's a simple process, but taking the time to do it properly ensures you stay in control of your online presence and avoid any unwanted charges. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital how-tos, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.